Y'all can see. Y'all know today, yeah. Y'all can see from the title. What we going to get today, man. But it's raining. It's raining. That's bad. Alright, y'all. Y'all can see, man. We finna go get the hood and bumper today, man. All that finna be fixed. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know, man. It's been a long time. People talked about it. About that time, man. About that time. Alright, y'all. So, today. So, y'all know today. I'm good. Y'all know.
Dry down there?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
It's alright.
That's why I gotta go now. I can go and get the hood, bring the hood. I'm put the hood on as soon as I get it. I gotta go now for it pour up. So it start getting heavy. Alright, y'all, we still rolling. So today. Put it in reverse, Terry! Put it in reverse! Oh, look! So y'all, today, y'all know, man. Yeah, y'all see this? That's bad, man. That's bad. Oh God, that's bad, y'all. That mean I gotta hurry up. It's bad. I shouldn't be doing this, but I really need it, bro. For times like this, so I ain't gotta keep my car put up because it's raining. Y'all see this right here? Yeah. See, if he was in order to turn around right now, I have to go. I have no choice. I ain't want it in there. I have no choice. And Jimmy know how we do it. Rico, little bro, twin, they know how we do it. Oh, I come right here, y'all. Ooh, right here. Right up under the thing. So, y'all, how about I made it all the way to the damn gas station and forgot my wallet. I told y'all they drink gas, don't they? Y'all finna see now. Carter, I need you to redo this for me, man. I need you to redo that for me. And I want one in the back. I ain't even gonna lie. Money good. Money good. He's drinking, y'all. 11 gallons, $30. We good. Told y'all, bro, this motherfucker wanna decide she wanna play with me. Look. I don't know why she playing with me. It's raining, y'all. I'm trying to go to the store now. I ain't gonna lie. That's all they do when it rains. Look. Just tap the gas or ass sideways. Alright, y'all, they got me out here in Fort Mississippi, man. Y'all know we got the hood, man. We finna get the thing, bro. Y'all know we finna get the hood and bumper. Hood and bumper on the way, bro. I'm gonna put that back on. I'm gonna show y'all that part. Right now I gotta wipe my window down. That damn antifreeze. They ain't even got one of them things. Here you go, y'all. Here you go. He got two of them. One on here, one on his girl, man. Or whoever. Well, yeah, we here. Y'all the message over there laughing in my car, man. They're laughing in my car. Y'all know what's going on. My guy. What's up? Yeah, what's up? What's up with that?
Honey over there.
Honey?
Yeah. She messed
Stop
up.
it. Where she at? Is somebody at her brother's house?
No, she went. Honey!
No, nah.
She got heat. Old pit, huh?
Yeah, old honey, bro. Man, hell nah. Look at her.
He got hit while with the what's it called?
No.
No, you're not going up there. She was dragging them back legs. No, get off me.
She
No.
can't do nothing.
Yeah, she can't do shit.
Look at y'all, man. I don't even think I got my. Here you go, y'all, man. Got us a barn find, man.
Okay, so
Barn find. Let me show y'all. So look, I'm gonna get the trunk. I'm coming to get the trunk. So the rim, man. Finna get this bumper. It be gonna look so good on my shit, bro. I'm gonna get it spray painted too.
Mom in the house, I ain't even taking a couple.
Yeah, it was Rick, man.
What?
6'1".
I'm talking about what it cost.
Go to Vic, man.
What screw is it?
Go to Vic, y'all.
What? Most.
Yeah, I want the pipes too, man. We got another one, man. This man got another. See this? Oh, the bumper.
Just the bumper out there.
Yeah, look, that bitch say. I can get one of them, can I? One of them SRT. One of them SRT things.
The sign?
Yeah.
Oh, yours a him, ain't it?
Yeah. Y'all heard that man, bro. Look at him, bro.
Yeah, we gonna turn that bitch to a skirt.
we finna do it.
We gotta go to the 6-1.
Man, we finna do it 6'1", man. We finna do it 6'1". Straight ain't there, one.
You not gonna go key them motherfucker, crank it up. He ain't gonna tell her what.
Yeah, I'm finna get these rims too, bro. Come up on them rims. Yeah.
You gonna say these rims?
Nah, not these rims. It's these rims. That's what I meant to check. That one fucked up. I need to see about this one.
The rims on the back, good. That was
Oh, and what about that one up there?
I don't know. I know he's got still got put on the front to get the car moved. But I know this rim and that rim.
See, I need them. That's what I'm told him to come back and get them that week.
We got somebody with 30 rim.
Yeah, I got a third rim. Hey, yeah, and this rim right here. That's 3.
And we got the 4th rim.
Yeah, them good. This the only one messed up. Bad. That's the one he was talking
I
about.
need y'all to tell my nephew Sean got rim like that too.
Like that.
Yeah, but he know a website you can order that motherfucker. Rim gonna be about $400. I ain't no
Yeah.
rim myself. Cause I'm tired high too.
He throwing me a lick on the rim.
Yeah, but you might have to get motherfucking to really look at them because I know one of these on the back is kind of warped.
They
I wanna
sit.
say this one. Even though everything happened on that side, I want to say this side got warped a little bit.
It's sitting up.
No, it's sitting up, but the tire itself, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But I mean, if you gonna sell a motherfucker off, I know that motherfucker on the front, you ain't gonna be able to use that hoe.
That one, yeah, that's the one he told me about.
Now that one just setting up and these two on the back, they good enough.
You think gonna look good on my car?
Who you get that car from?
I bought it. Cash.
Ooh.
From
An auction or something?
auto play.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing. Built it myself.
In the truck? That more keys right here.
Hey.
But
Yeah.
girl, mama, she in the. I'm finna come in. Cause I'm finna, you finna get my hood and bump off the car. I'm finna cover the car hood.
I'm trying to get
The
them.
motor's still good on that car.
Got these, man.
I got them.
Mama,
got them.
I know this.
So y'all, finna get it done, man. Told y'all. Y'all thought I was playing? Y'all folks thought I was playing. Make sure I'm recording, shit. Jim, I know you seen that big ass rock roller. Bro, y'all seen Honey, bro. I feel so bad for Honey, man.
What the fuck happened?
I'm gonna show. All right, y'all, man. We at Wally World. Yes, sir. We at Wally World. Finna get scares. We at Water World for get us some tool set, man. I done drove this far. Forgot my damn tool set, bro. Ain't no way.
I hope you got
Huh?
Cause I knew if I came down here Friday, 9 times out of 10, you know I got two, so you want to know mine, you want to.
Yeah.
Shit, then I had to come on me buy shit. Could be something simple as shit. I just don't want to.
Yeah. Cut your back on. 12. Nah, that probably be some more shit.
Time page and shit. I know how Jackson is, so it's 10 times worth of Jackson. You pull out there and he ain't right, yeah.
Alright, y'all know this was broke at first, man.
Nigga, and me and her work out and Jordan want to be around and
We put a new on.
whatever.
Yeah, the old, this was broke at.
That's our relationship, baby.
It was rusty.
You know what I'm saying?
So we getting that put on first.
Like I told you, like, we
Oh
always
yeah, I got
if
the
you call me,
Jim ain't want us to get no bumper today, but I got the bumper. Look, man. Got the bumper. There they go. Look at him. I can see, man. Look, it's trying to rain now. Got the hood on there, man. Got the hood. I need the rims bad, bro. That's all I want. I need the rims. Get the rims, we in there. We're gonna get that real soon, ASAP. Y'all gonna see this, bro. Yes, sir. I know we lit over here. It gonna look good when I get the rims, boy.
Man, we done bent this song down here, boy.
What about? Oh, yeah.
What you mean? What about?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Got it on
There
up
you go.
now.
Got it on.
Piece by piece. All right, y'all. Here go the hood, man. It's the final. We're gonna wrap this one up. Y'all gonna see the bumper. Bumper gonna get on there next. Right now it's raining, man. I'm wet. Doing this for y'all, man. Go subscribe, bro. Look. Tell them go subscribe, bro.
They better fucking subscribe.
They better.
They better.
We doing all this. I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. Y'all gonna see for the next part. Huh? Go crank it up. Crank it up. Crank it up real quick. Y'all. We doing it, man. One by one, step by step. Y'all know. By any means. Subscribe for. Uh-oh. Man, look at that. Man, look at these little tips, man. We doing it wrong. We gonna get it right, though. What? Alright, I'm gonna holler at y'all next video, man. Stay tuned, be smooth.